Hey friends, if you wish to install MinGW w64 for Windows for developers, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's the thing. We have this link on sourceforge.net. Go to the location and then click on download. Okay. And this way it will download it. It needs a few seconds. This is a zipped file. Go to its location. Right click on it. Select extract all. Extract it. Okay, it will need a while, and you know what happens after that. You just have to run the setup file and all. So we'll wait till that is done. Okay, once it is installed and extracted, then go to this page, and you can use it. Okay, you have to go to the installer file. So you can use it as a developer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.